everyone. Good evening. Are you enjoying yourselves? Are you being educated? Are you being nourished by everything that you have heard? Are you going to stand up and take responsibility? Because that's what this evening is about. We have amazing, sorry, the lights are really bright. We have had some amazing performances, and I know that there are more to come. And what these performances show to us is the breadth of talent and ability that we have across diverse communities in London, and especially here in Croydon. And we're incredibly proud of them. But one of the things I've been working on recently is the fact that many people, and we had the question earlier about the disconnect, many young people actually don't feel that they belong. So we can have as many policies and anti-racism charters as I've put together. We can have diversity and inclusion strategies. But if those strategies are not embedded, and if those strategies are not lived out, then young people and people from diverse backgrounds will not feel that they have a true place in our communities. And if they don't feel that they belong, then they will feel disconnected. So we have a responsibility, each and every one of us here. We have a responsibility for action. We have a responsibility for advocacy. And we have a responsibility, and this is something that Andy Britton said he learnt when he came to Croydon, and we've already heard it from the platform. He learned that it truly, truly does take a village, a community, to raise a child and a young person and a vulnerable person as well, not just children and young people. So we all are sitting here not just as an audience, but we are here to be active participants in being part of that community, whether we're from a faith community or whether we are not. It doesn't matter. We all have a duty of care to our community. We all have a responsibility for our community. And so while I'm hoping that you are enjoying yourself, you are being nurtured, but what it's doing is making you think, what's the one thing that I can do to make a difference in the lives of someone who feels disconnected and that they don't belong? What can I do? So whether it's mentoring, whether it's showing up at your prayer community, whether it's creating a welcoming space, which may not feel safe at first, but it is available to people who feel ostracized or marginalized, whatever it is that you can do, whether it's the tea, the biscuits, the welcome, whatever it is you can do, do that and be that difference, because we can be a better community. I've been in Croydon now for 5 years, I think as long as Andy's been here. And what we have witnessed is an amazing coming together of a partnership between faith groups, people of no faith, between the council and the police. And I think if we can continue to work in this way, in partnership working and collaborative working, we can truly enable our community to be the safe place that we would want it to be for ourselves and especially for our young people. Thank you all very much.